Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sun City, Sector 54. This is in the heart of the city that we are standing. This is the Spinal Cord region. Golf course road is connected with this location, and you're also connected with the other sectors of the surroundings. To get started, this has a plot size of 276 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started out here. On my right hand side, you'll see a thick wallpaper on this wall. On the ceiling, you'll see the same wallpaper contrast given on the ceiling. This is a diamond cut ceiling design. Towards my left, you'll see a plain wall. Towards my right, you'll see a plain wall. Italian on the surface. That's the provisioning for your air conditioning system. You've got all modular switches. That's a casement window which has a mesh door. This is the front size of your house. This is the balcony area. This is a normal, आपका एक normal natural stone लगाया हुआ है balcony में. ये grouping करा हुआ है wall के अंदर. External आपका इधर लग जाएगा इसी में. You've got the metal railing out here, which is again, this looks like ये heritage design है, थोड़ा सा wrought iron का लगता है. Despite the fact it is so hot today, I would showcase you the the greenery that I can see. This is a park facing property. You've got the park just bang opposite to your house, and that's again coming back to the premises of the property where we are standing right now. This is the balcony. Again got an air conditioning system का split का external machine यहाँ लग जाएगा, and that's your drainage vessel. वहाँ सामने में आपका tap area है और drainage vessel उधर भी दिया हुआ है. This is an empanelment, a strong, thick wooden empanelment given here. This is basically an engineered wood covered on the pillars of the house. Now, let's get inside to the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house, which has a wooden console. On my right, this is a wallpaper. You see the air conditioning provisioning would be done here. It's basically a round shaped ceiling. Above me, you see a fan. Italian on the surface. This is again a casement window. Same balcony, nothing has changed. So the grouping is done there. Now we'll enter inside the washroom. This is the closet section. This is your washroom space. A beautiful vanity by Jaguar, normal granite top. Storage space. Wall mounted seat, Jaguar geyser. You've got the shower area bifurcation. This has a proper door, a rain head, and a mirror by Modigard. Again, you've got a fan above me. These are all LED lights given here. We are again back inside the hallway. This is the hallway area. This is the dining section of the house. This is the foyer. ये आपका dining section है. Table for 12 can easily be accommodated. You can use it. ये आपका एक wooden console दिया हुआ है board का. इसके पीछे में thick wallpaper है. On the ceiling you'll see a wooden sheet. This is a wooden board. A beautiful false ceiling design covered by the wooden engineered wood. ऊपर में आपका you see above the fans. On the left hand side you see a plain wall. Right, it's the provisioning for an air conditioning system. Surface is all Italian. Here you can place your television. This is the second bedroom of the house. A round ceiling design on the roof. Natural stone Italian on the surface. Left is a wallpaper. Right side you'll see a wooden console. This is a running shelf with the cabinetries. This is your closet. You've got the mirror in center. This is how the closet is bifurcated. This is the washroom space. We'll showcase this to you in a little while. Let me showcase you the back side of the house. This is the balcony shared with the kitchen. That's going to be your kitchen space where you see the tap and the drainage vessel. This is also shared in common with the last bedroom, which is this way. This is the surrounding. Externals आपके उधर लगेंगे. This is the washroom area. You've got wall and surface as tiling work. You've got this glass channel. You've got toughened glass by Miko, rain head, which is wall mount, sanitary fittings by Jaguar, wall mount seat, again a bowl shaped vanity, a beautiful mirror, and then you see a fan above it and the geyser. On my right hand side, once I enter inside the passage in the hallway area, you will see the wardrobe section. This is the wardrobe. This is the master bedroom, which has a wooden flooring on the surface, wooden console as it is. As you've seen in the second and the first bedroom, this is your UPVC window. Ceiling design is pretty much simple and it's a straight ceiling design given the cuts. Air conditioning का provisioning यहाँ पर. ये आपका thick wallpaper है. Wooden flooring, again you've got, this has a warranty of around 10 years. Above me you see an Orient fan. This is on surface, and over the wall you'll see all tiling work, wall mount, commode seat, beautiful vanity followed by the mirror, cabinetries. This is a glass partition. You've got the rain head, sanitary fittings by Jaguar, exhaust fan by Anchor, and you've got this Jaguar geyser. Again a simple square ceiling design on above me, and which has a fan. This is the balcony, which is commonly shared with the kitchen and the second bedroom of the house. The same balcony that we've showed you earlier, nothing new in this. So let's cover up the kitchen part quickly before we sign off. You see this door, diamond cuts दिए हुए हैं इसमें, huge diamond cuts, बहुत beautiful door है. This is the entrance of your kitchen. If I have to call this kitchen, it's all pure white and it's a beautiful kitchen that I'll be entering in. This is the veneer sheet engineered wood, teak brown. This is all, you know, wallpaper. Kitchen में आते ही बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You feel it like it's all white everywhere. You see the marble stone, pure white marble stone, which has grayish color. This is all tile, this is all stone, natural stone, stain free. Chimney and hob by CAF. You've got an oven. This is again by CAF. This is the place where your OTG will be installed. This is the place to keep your cabinetries, your stuff. Place to park your refrigerator this way. This is your cabinet shelves by Olive. A beautiful basket is given here. This is again a small basket. This is how the space is used. You see this way. ये आपके दो sinks दिए हुए हैं, washers vessel. This is for you washing your utensils. Then you keep it up. Small geyser, small storage space to keep your cutlery. This one to keep your stuff, small boxes to keep your multi-grains. All tiling work, natural stone, surface is all tiles. This is the balcony which is shared in common with the third and the second bedroom of this house. Drainage vessel, the tap area, everything is there. So 3 external AC लग सकते हैं यहाँ पर. ये आपका चिमनी का दिया हुआ है, जो पाइप निकल रहा है. ये सारा आपका external AC यहाँ पर लग जाएंगे. This is all UPVC used. So I don't think there is a problem of a ventilation inside the kitchen. You've got an Anchor exhaust fan. The ceiling design is rectangular in shape, and there are small rectangle designs, basically not rectangle, this is small square designs which are given on the ceiling, and above me you see a small fan, and you've got an engineered wood. Finally, time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching us. This was Anupam Gambhir from Stair Experts. 276 square yards, Sun City, Sector 54. Keep watching us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you so very much. Goodbye.